Hi, my name is JoJo, and what I have today is an accessory for the Ruger Precision Rifle that will take it to the next level. As everyone is aware, it's an excellent rifle. It's a lot of fun. It's very accurate. But the biggest problem I had initially was, first of all, finding brass. I bought one of the first ones. But developing the load was difficult. I had a bipod on the front. I got different bags for the back. I used different rests. And at the end of the day, you would look at your different groups, your different bullets, your different weights, your different powders, and all the groups were very similar. So it cost me a lot of money to determine that there had to be a better way. The problem with it is it has a round fore-end and canting. So I came up with a solution to that. This is it. Front and back. And as you can see, I have it here in a rest, front and back. The rifle slides perfectly, just like a bench rest rifle. Using this, without a doubt, you can determine what your loads are doing, which is the better load, and so forth. There's no cant. It's stable. And the beauty is, on the rail, it snaps on, snaps off. On the rear rail, snaps on, snaps off. Takes 10 seconds to install it, and it will save you a lot of range time, a lot of wasted ammo, because you can determine what works, what doesn't. Here's, a couple weeks ago I was out at the range and did some shooting. Now I have an assortment of different bullet weights, different powder, etc. Here is an example: 41.3, 4350, 147 ELD, and you can see it's spread out a little bit. Now keep in mind this is at 300 yards, so it's still a very respectable group at 300. This is 41.7. I only shot 3. This I was just sighting in somewhat. And I've got another one here. Again, different groups, different bullet weights. Here's an RDF bullet, brought it in. This is the Hornady hollow point boat tail, the 140. So you can see, using this Anticant system I've developed, you can really work up your load. Now, for shooting, the best one of the day is right there. That's a 5-shot group, 147 ELD, 41.0, 4350. Almost a single hole. I don't think, unless you're young with super eyes, you're going to do this with a bipod. So you can, if nothing else, develop your loads and get a load that works best for your rifle. I manufacture and sell them. They're $130 shipped to your door. They'll last a lifetime, and you can take it off and put it on any other rifle that has a rail. I've sold a number of them. All the feedback I've received is excellent. So, if you have any questions, my number is 407-312-3051. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.